Let's be real for a second. Sales can feel like a grind. You're stuck chasing low-ticket commissions, you're battling rush hour, and it feels like your potential is being suffocated. Now picture this. You're closing 5-figure deals from anywhere. No more cubicles, no more committing, and definitely no more scraping by on small commissions. But here's the truth. If you don't know how to navigate high-ticket partnerships, you're not just working hard, you're working harder for less. You'll waste time chasing influencers who can't deliver, and you'll lose deals because you missed critical steps. Stick with me because I'm going to break down exactly how to become a remote high-ticket closer. Plus, I'm giving you a behind-the-scenes look at the exact resources my first-class closers use to lock in 5-figure months. Now, I'm Kayvon K, the founder of First Class Closers, and let me be transparent. My first business, total failure. I was $150,000 in debt with no direction. Then I made one move that changed everything. I partnered with a top influencer and focused on closing high-ticket sales remotely. No payroll, no operations, no logistics, just closing deals. And that's what I do best. That partnership didn't just pull me out of debt, it helped me close over $35 million in sales. Now, I've trained over 50,000 sales reps to land partnerships and close high-ticket clients who have finally paid them what they're worth. Why? So, here's why you want to pivot to remote high-ticket sales. Number one is uncapped income potential. Imagine closing a $25,000 program and banking 10% commission. That's $2,500 from one call. Compared to that, grinding out 25 small deals just to make the same. Location freedom. Forget the freaking office. I've closed $20,000 deals from my living room. I've signed clients while traveling. Freedom is built into the game. Impact. High-ticket sales isn't about pushing products. It's about connecting people with premium solutions that actually change their lives. The closers in my program didn't just double their income, they took control of their careers. These mistakes will break you before you break through. So let's be honest. You can hustle all day, but if you make these mistakes, you're going to burn out. Choosing the wrong influencer. Not every influencer with a big following can sell. You could be the best closer on the planet, but if their offer is weak, you won't close. That's why I created 5 rules for working with an influencer. A guide to spot red flags and only partner with proven profitable influencers. Skipping research, sending out generic outreach. Congratulations. You're blending in with everybody else. You need to know the influencer's brand, you need to know their pain points, and you need to know their audience. In the First Class Closers, I give you 13 must-ask questions before your first meeting so you walk in prepared and you stand out. Fearing rejection? You'll get ghosted? You'll hear no? But the mistake is taking it personally and tapping out. Mistakes people are making over-promising and under-delivering. Forget the fluff. You're not here to impress. You're here to deliver results. My 8 steps to prepare for an interview resource shows you how to position yourself as a valuable closer who moves the needle. Lead with confidence and they'll take you seriously. Where do you even find high-ticket influencers? Well, first, you can start with influencers you believe in. If you invested in their program and it transformed your life, you already have a real connection. That's your foot in the door. Attend live events and masterminds. Face-to-face interactions with decision makers, instant authority. Influencers at these events are already looking for partnerships. Engage in Facebook groups and LinkedIn. There are entire communities built around coaching, consulting, and premium services. But here's the key: provide value, don't lurk, lead. Inside First Class Closers, we actually teach you how to build authority and attract influencers without sounding like you're begging for work. How to stand out and lock in partnerships? Send a personalized video message. Cold emails are dead. Video outreach lets your energy, your professionalism, and connection shine through. Use tools like a Loom and make it personal and powerful. Know their businesses better than they do. Study their offers, sales pages, and funnels. What their current conversion rates are. What's their pain points. Secret shop their webinars and ads. It gives you insider knowledge, and we teach every step and every First Class Closer how to do this. Also, offer massive value up front. Don't just slide into their DMs asking, what can you offer me? Instead ask, how can I help you make more sales? Position yourself as a partner, not a contractor. That's how you stand out. let's talk about your money mindset here. Here's the elephant in the room. If you're uncomfortable talking about big numbers, your prospects will feel it. That hesitation will kill the sale before it even starts. That's why I built the Bulletproof Mindset training inside First Class Closers, to rewire how you think about money so you can confidently close 5-figure deals without flinching. Because here's the truth. People don't just buy your words, they buy your energy. Show up with certainty and you'll close deals effortlessly. Here's the truth here. The only thing standing between you and a $10,000 a month as a remote high-tech closer is the right system and guidance. You can try to figure this out alone, or you can follow a system that's already worked for thousands of people. If you're ready to stop guessing and start closing, all you gotta do is join the First Class Closer community. You'll get access to checklists, live coaching, and every resource you need to gain the edge. All you gotta do is click that link below. This could be your next big move. Let's make it happen. Let's change your life, and let's make this fucking great. Let's go.